What's the best way to get started so I don't crash and burn? Hey guys, Jim Edwards here and welcome to another edition of I Already Let the Chickens Out, but we're going to walk over there anyway. So I get asked this question a lot in various forms, and people will say, hey, I'm new, and so should I start out by selling an affiliate product? Or hey, I've already got something and I want to start a high ticket funnel, or should I do a newsletter, or should I make my own product, or should I offer a service, or should I start an agency, or should I do all these other things? What's the best way for me to get started? And the answer to that question is whatever model you think is going to work based on your answers to the three questions I'm going to give you right now. Because before you choose what your funnel or your business or anything looks like, you got to answer these three questions. What problem do you solve? Who do you solve it for? And how do you solve it? Now, in some cases, it might just make sense to promote an affiliate product. For example, like ClickFunnels or Funnel Scripts. You ain't going to come along and supplant Funnel Scripts or ClickFunnels. So if you want to help people put up funnels, or you want to help people write copy, best thing to do is be an affiliate for those products. So it really just depends on the answer to those questions. Like I said, sorry, I'm trying not to step in a molehill as I walk up and around the combat conditioning course. So answer those questions. What problem do you solve? Who do you solve it for? How do you solve it? And that's going to guide you to whether you need to create a piece of software, you need to sell a software as an affiliate, you need to create a high ticket funnel, you're better off creating a newsletter or a blog or something along those lines. And so go ahead and answer those questions. You can do it here on this post, or you can do it in your own notebook, however you want to do it. But the biggest thing you can do is answer those questions. What problem do you solve? Who do you solve it for? How do you solve it? That will guide you to what you need to do and how to get started to go from zero to profit as quickly as possible. Maybe you need to build the list. Maybe you just need to create a series of bridge pages. Maybe you need to set up a funnel where it's an application. I don't know. But I can tell you that before you do anything, answer those questions. One more time, say it with me. What problem do you solve? Who do you solve it for? And how do you solve it? And the cool thing, I will say this, is that if you do decide that you want to start with an affiliate funnel, the cool thing is if you do it right, you can build up a list, and then you can create your own product or your own service or your own software to meet that need later on if you want to. Or fill in with the back end and use an affiliate product as the front end, and then have your own products in the back end, as long as you are building that list. So I'm Jim Edwards. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. If you're not already, make sure you join my copywriting and content marketing hacks group on Facebook, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.